Okay. Today's job is put some modern navigation in this Ram. Wow, that is dated. Holy moly. It's literally not even doing anything anymore. It just sits there and has that goofy message. Huh. Oh well. Kenwood to the rescue. Well, let's get this taken apart here. Got 5 of the screws out so far. These 2, one buried in here, these 2. And that's right, there's one hides under here. Though I don't think that one needs to come out. No, it doesn't. What a mess. What is all this? Oh. Must have been for some other camera or something. Okay. Yep. There we go. Now get your pick tool. Carefully. Get this out of the way. Go away. Of course, I won't let you turn this. Stupid trucks. On the subject. Yeah, there's one screw right there. I forgot about. Extension. Probably not going to need that one again. If you're doing a shallow radio, you don't need to take this out necessarily, but this is a full disc playing nav unit. We need all the room we can get. Come on. Oh. Got caught. There we go. Separate these out. Yep. Move you away as long as I can move you. Okay. must be able to do that with the grinder better. Battery seems, oh yeah, there it is. I don't think this battery's going to cut it. There we go. A little bit of room. Break this off. Okay, how are we doing there? Not bad. There we go. Only just unscrew these things, it'd be so much less work, but oh well. Don't touch these with your hands. They're still hot. No, I don't want it that way. Spit it right in my face. That's cold enough to touch now. working or not? Feels like this end is. Yep. Yep. That's probably gonna be out of the way enough, I guess. Lovely. There, I need the hex all along. Bend you up. There we go. There. Lots of room now. On to the wiring. Okay, with the magic of editing, we're all wired up and tested and listening to the music, but I'm not going to play any music, so I don't want the video to get taken down. Damn copyright infringement. And hopefully this is all lined up. Already tested the heater. Seems to work. Looks like we're... just got to get over that just a hair. Lovely. That's his wire, not my wire. Okay. One clip down here. There we go. Good. Put these back in. Torques. This one's not very fun to put in without a magnet bit. But I could take the magnet bit off of that. Maybe energize him a little bit. Oh yeah, there you go. Way down there. Not sure what this cubby hole is for, but we will put it back the way it was. Any of you know what that little cubby's good for? Hey, leave it in the comments. Okay. This piece, you can see we mounted a double USB down there, even though probably won't need it. It's nice to have. Okay. These two. Trim. And this little rubber dealio. And we'll try and clean up his layers a bit before it goes. And Sirius XM mirror dangler for the Sirius XM deal. And all the manuals and how to hook up a Sirius XM. There, just another 4th gen RAM, courtesy of Kenwood and iData Maestro. Have a good one.